More than 3 years after the murder of Dallas dentist Kendra Hatcher, the woman accused of arranging her murder is about to learn her fate. Closing arguments are scheduled for tomorrow in the trial for Brenda Delgado. CBS 11's J.D. Miles joins us live from the Dallas County Courthouse, where the prosecution and defense both rested their cases this afternoon. J.D.
Gilma, Brenda Delgado has maintained her innocence ever since she was first questioned by police 2 days after this murder. But today, on the final day of testimony, she chose not to take the stand in her defense. It's the second time family and friends of Kendra Hatcher walked out of a courtroom having endured grim details about the murder of the Dallas dentist.
There was a gunshot wound of the head that went into the neck.
The man who shot and killed Hatcher was sentenced to death row last year. The woman who drove the getaway car is serving 35 years. Now, a jury will soon decide whether the woman accused of paying them to do it will serve a life sentence. Brenda Delgado did not take the stand in her defense, but she did defend herself on this police interrogation video.
There was a plan.
There was no plan, I'm telling you.
There was a plan.
Prosecutors showed the jury how Delgado struggled to explain to a Dallas homicide detective why a friend of hers, Crystal Cortez, would be part of an execution-style murder of a woman she didn't know but Delgado did. Hatcher was dating Delgado's ex-boyfriend.
I have no motives for this guy.
No motives for who?
For Ricky, there's nothing. There's nothing there. There's no motive.
So why do you want his girlfriend dead?
I don't even know who he was seeing.
The defense presented just one expert witness who argued that authorities did a sloppy job of tracking cell phone calls and text messages between those involved in the murder-for-hire plot, including one after the murder that said, quote, "We are all clear, call me." After closing arguments, the jury will deliberate. If they find her guilty, sentencing will be automatic. Because prosecutors had to promise Mexico they would not seek the death penalty, she will face an automatic life sentence. Live in Dallas, J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.